Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with myself, Blackbeard. I don't really have much of a beard left. I trimmed it off for a little bit. Today we're making our own scratch gluten-free pasta, which is a first for me, and doing a nice pomodoro, very fresh Italian simple sauce. You can make at home, so follow along, I'll go over everything, and join me while we enjoy some wine and cook some Italian food. All right, got it all laid out over here. We're gonna start doing the sauce first because I like it to cook for about 30 minutes or so. And we've got our gluten-free all-purpose flour, tapioca flour, some Mediterranean salt. Yes, salt is very important. You just don't want generic salt. I like using a lot better stuff. We need a good organic, extra virgin olive oil. You want the cold pressed stuff so it actually has a lot of good nutrients in it. You want to do Roma tomatoes, or you can do the plum tomatoes. We're going to set these on a boil to get the skins off. And today we are drinking Ruffino's Reserva Ducal Oro. Nice Chianti Classico. And when you are buying your Chianti, make sure you look for the black rooster on the back. It's an easy way to figure out if you're actually getting a good quality Chianti and not just one of these batched, over-processed grapes. So nothing wrong with some of the other stuff. I get it, nice table wine, but we're going for something a little nicer here. And so come on, join us with the cooking. Let's get the pan boiling and drop the tomatoes in. All right, guys, you want to just score these a little bit with a knife, just on the ends. It'll help the peel back, and then obviously when you put them in the ice water bath, you can just take it off. So you want to get these at a boil and wait till the peel starts kind of removed from the tomato, and then get them in an ice bath. All right, you can see the skin peeling back. That's when you want to throw them in the ice bath. All right, you can see them in here. Just let them rest for a minute and then start taking the peels off. All right, next step. Got to puree these up. And then we're gonna head over to the pan with some olive oil, do some shallots and garlic, and start making our sauce. All right, guys, there it is. We just poured in the tomato puree, I guess you could call it that. And I just kind of finely chopped or just ripped up some fresh basil. Definitely has to be fresh. It's so aromatic from it. And we're just gonna stir this in, and then all you wanna do is just have this on simmer for about 30 minutes. But now I gotta get into making the dough for the pasta. So this will be interesting. All right, this gets really interesting now because we're doing gluten-free. So we've got our gluten-free all-purpose flour, tapioca flour. Need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You're gonna do 2 cups of organic flour, all-purpose, and then 5 tablespoons of tapioca flour. You want to have your eggs at room temp. We need 2 egg yolks and then 2 full eggs, and then beat them. And then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. All right, so we got our flour mix all mixed together. A little bit of salt in here, just about a teaspoon. Olive oil, we've got our eggs in the center. Now we're just going to beat this together. I'm using my hands. And you want to put in about a teaspoon of just lightly warm water. We've got about 1/3 of a cup, and just get it so it's just lightly sticky, and then lay out your flour so obviously it doesn't stick to the mat. All right, now I'm not a professional when I do this. Nicole has a lot more experience with gluten-free baking and doughs, and so the one thing is when you do it, gluten-free stuff, it always looks like it's not doughy like regular breads. But you just have to kind of form it into a ball. It is very crumbly. So I'm gonna set it up in 4 different balls so then we can roll it out. Definitely prep with some nice gluten-free flour, obviously. And we just wanna roll this out, and then we're going to fold it and cut and hopefully make some kind of fettuccine noodles. That's what my plan is, so we're getting there. Got our water just on a nice slow boil, so we're ready when we get all this pasta done. Sauce is actually looking fantastic. And definitely want to get it cooking for a while because it will change the flavors, obviously. And I'm really enjoying how this is coming out. It's very fresh, light. It's a little acidic, just add a little bit more sugar just to cut that down. All right, guys, I think I got it to a good thinness. I don't know, it's the first time working with this stuff, so I'm a newbie, you know. But I've got it rolled out. Now we're just gonna kind of roll it up and then we're gonna cut it. See how this goes. All right, well, I think it's a semi-failure, but we'll see. Pasta is the difficult part. I don't know, it's just very either too sticky, too dry. It's not like regular flour, but I think it still looks pretty good. I tasted it, it's not bad. But we're gonna dig in and enjoy it anyways. So thank you for tuning in. Cheers to another great Saturday at the house.